Hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. Wow. So guys, today is July 15. It's a Wednesday and what's the time? It's 9:03 p.m. So guys, we are here kami pa ni Renbert because we are waiting sa among mga family members because this will be a family trip and we are going somewhere up north, no? Up north. So,
Wait nyo lang.
yeah, wait nyo lang. Later na namin i-reveal. So, this is an important event. May family affair kasi kami, guys. So, we will go to that special place. Yeah. So, later na namin i-reveal kung
We are
saan.
planning for quite some time.
Yes.
We are planning for quite some time.
Oo. So, technically, guys, nandito kami ngayon sa
Tagalog one.
naami diri karon sa nagtinagalog na noon ko guys sa Laguindingan International Airport here in Misamis Oriental, Cagayan de Oro City. Dayon koan guys. Still waiting here at nami diri sa AirAsia pero ang among sakyan guys is PAL. Flight time will be at 11:05 p.m. and arrival is around 12:40 no? 12:40 a.m. So technically, among arrival is already July 16.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is Renba. Ready me og kano guys jacket because as expected tugnaw ang plane.
As always guys, yung ambag ko ganda lang. Charirot.
Yeah, so here guys, naami diri sa gate 3 because relatively dili kay siya crowded and at the same time kusog ang aircon diri as compared dito sa gate 1 and gate 2.
As compared.
Yeah, as compared. So we're waiting for our family members. Ma-update lang guys kay going pa daw sila here. Okay. Hi guys, so while waiting, mao ni siya ang gate 3. Gate 3 then Mabuhay Lounge here in Laguindingan. Mabuhay Lounge and naay Island Taste and Island Souvenirs. Dira guys kay Nomad na pa dito guys sa Dakuma but this is gate 3. Yay! So walking lang ta guys. And then so yeah, diri lang sa ta guys. Look at that. Mango. Cutie. And ano lang gamay nga tour. Gate 3. Balik na ta guys. Guys, update. Still waiting sa family members. Coming pa daw sila. And then guys, this is a two legs. No, two legs. So, from Cagayan to Manila and then the other flight later na lang guys para surprise. So, yeah, excited. This is my second gusto ba siya guys pero guys this is my second time ani nga destination but first time good sa all the rest of the family members no.
Wow.
And Renbert also, what can you say Renbert?
This is my first time. This destination is my first time. And you know what? This is one of the best destination here in the Philippines.
Why?
Because a lot of people wanted, hi mom, mom is smiling with me. And this is one of the best destination because kasi madalang lang tong mapuntahan, mahirap mapuntahan, but every Filipino I guess wanted to come here, come visit that place, and thank you Lord, hopefully we will arrive there safe and sound. But yeah, as I said, this is one of the best destination here in the Philippines by the least.
Yeah, so hopefully guys pohon you will also have the opportunity to visit the place. Pero sige lang guys, ano muna kuan sa ta waiting for atong kuan mga pag-umangkon, pamangkin, kuya, sister-in-law. So yeah, we will update lang once na sila. Guys, na akong sister-in-law sa likod. Then ako maadwa kapag umangkon nagbay og waffles. Pero si kuya, akong isa ka kuya og isa ka sister-in-law kay padulong pa sila here. Mo ng aircraft guys, Philippine Airlines. I don't know if maklaro siya. Yes, that one. So that's Philippine Airlines RPC 8614 A320. 200 na siya guys, CEO. And there's a Cebu Pacific. So yes, mauna mong sakyan guys. So guys, nana si Ate B. Ate B, say hi.
Hello.
Yes. That's Ate B and Ate Mel. Say hi to Ate Mel. Yes. Sabi ko Ate Mel, family trip. Oo, sabi ko family trip. Eh, wag dito sa oo, sa vlog.
Dili niya ma-upload.
Sa vlog. Family trip yung sabi ko. Si Al, say hi to Al. Busy pa siya guys. It's Al. Hi Al, say hi.
Hello.
And Renbert. Storya and Ate B. Look at Ate B. Hi Ate B. So waiting lang mi guys for Kuya and Ate Rojet. Wala pa sila. Hopefully makaabot na to sila in a while. So time is 10:06 then 10:35 ang boarding time. So waiting lang sa mi guys. It's Ate Mel. Lagi guys, boarding na guys. Wait lang, amos ang tawag na umukon kuya. Isa ka kuya kay wala pa guys. Guys, boarding. Timel. So boarding na may guys. Actually, earlier ang boarding na mo karon 10:10 pa. Then dapat actually Ate Mel kaganiya pa ang plane. So dapat 10:35. Yeah. Pero it's like 10:10. Look at that guys. So wala to nasa namon si Ate Rojet guys o si Kuya. Yeah. Lugi, wala tagi-agi sa airbridge. Hi guys. For today's vid, kuan mi wala nadaot ang tube siguro Ate Rojet. Yeah, so guys, apparently wala mi sa airbridge. Sa likod to kuya, kay 45 man ta. Yes, hello. Let's go to Manila. Direta kuya. Lagindingan Airport. Hi! Let's go. So, sa likod mi guys kay 45, 43 man. Hello. Hi guys, nakasettle down na mi. I'm with Ate Mel and Renbert. Yeah. Silang Ate B kay naa sila dito sa 43. Kami nila Ate Mel kay nami sa row 45, 45C, 45B and 45A. What can you say?
Igang guys. Excited ko. Chill lang.
So waiting pa mi guys kay boarding pa man ang uban. Yeah, mo na guys. So boarding pa ang mga tao and mo na siya namin sa wing dapit. So pushback na guys. It's 10:50. Pushback na guys. Let's go. Mabuhay. Look at that guys. Ano na, safety demonstration. Okay, so guys, mag-concert ta. Praying for a safe flight with Ate Mel. Yeah. So safety demo na guys.
Please watch
Yeah.
the cabin crew nearest you.
See you.
ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
Final approach na, guys. Yay, touchdown in a while. Thank you, Lord. Wee. Yay. SLEX. $12.04 touchdown. Thank you, Lord. Yay. Welcome to Manila. Thank you, Lord. Yay, touchdown, guys. Welcome to Manila. Yay.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear passengers of the airlines, welcome to Manila. Time now for the convenience is 5 minutes past the hour in the morning. And the
Yay.
date today is 16th of July 2020.
Thank you, Lord. Hey, saya Timel. Welcome to Manila. Welcome to... Sakit ang iyang ears, guys. Tungkol sa pressure. Yay! Welcome to Manila. Thank you, Lord. Hi, guys. We're now in Manila. Hi, baby. Lagi ako po. Guys, mangi sa may guys. Welcome to Manila. Ranbat. Welcome to Manila. Yay, thank you, Lord. Here's Ate Mel. Ito na. Sige na, guys, matusin niya sa baggage claim. So, naasa 9 daw, guys. Carousel number 9. Love the Philippines. Love the Philippines. So, this is Terminal 2, guys. And baggage claim 9 daw ang among gamit. Let's go! Guys, naara di ay si Renbert ang nakakuha kay 8. Kay ang giingon manggod kay 9. Sa lawag man na. So, guys, gawas na mi going mi ay si Kuya, guys, gisundo mi niya na ay van because we will be going to Clark Airport. Look at this. Look at the paraphernalia. That's Kuya and that's Ate Rojet and sila Ate Mel sa likod. So, welcome to Manila. Naiya Centennial Terminal 2. Let's go to Kuya. Char. Ito mi sa A18. Si Al. I think mauna ni ang van. I think this is the van. I think lang, but not sure. I think. Ay, wow! It's Buboy! Hi, boy! Hi, boy! Hi, boy!
Ay, sorry.
Hi, Kuya! Wait, dito. This is Kuya. Wow, grabe. May natin. Yay! Kevin. Look at Kevin! Then Kuya and Kevin. Yay! Guys, amo sa ibutang.